Hello everyone. Welcome to KOCLI Learning. My name is Hong, and I will be offering the Alteryx Designer Data Analytics Basic Core Certificate Preparation course. This course will explain basic features of Alteryx Designer Desktop and prepare you for the core certification exam, which is available on the Alteryx community website. Alteryx is a US software company founded in 2004 and went public in 2017. The company's headquarters is located in Irvine, California. In 2010, the company launched its flagship program, Alteryx Designer, and since then, it has been used by many global companies as a data analytics tool for purposes like financial reporting, tax compliance, and process automation. Considering the overall reputation and use cases across the tech solutions and consulting industry, Alteryx Designer has been leading the market as an effective software that enables users to process massive data with a little or no knowledge in high-level coding skills. Also, in my consulting experience, I've seen many cases where clients were able to optimize their work process and save a lot of time that were spent on manual works while being able to reduce erroneous and inefficient work, which happens somewhere in the middle of a work stream. Once companies experience the benefits of Alteryx Designer, they are increasingly adopting and promoting Alteryx proficiency in their hiring process and performance reviews to continuously drive their optimized work process. I hope this course will help you to gain your understanding in Alteryx Designer and boost your expertise in the field of data analytics.